I want to talk for a second. We're going to show a clip of Beto talking about law enforcement, but I want to set it up for us first. So, Beto went into a press conference, acted holier than thou, drew the spotlight to himself over other people. So bad the mayor called him a sick SOB. Presumably he did that. If we're going to give him the benefit of the doubt, he did that because he felt so strongly that this was a tragedy that could have been prevented. So I guess if that's the case, we probably ought to ask ourselves, all right, Beto, you're a politician. If you were in office, would the policies you would have enacted, would they have helped prevent it? And I think we've got incredible evidence that that is not true. And in fact, the policies he would have pursued actually may have made it more difficult to take down the shooter. Can we roll that video of Beto? It's about 40 seconds, folks, so stick with it. But he says some key things we're going to talk about.
I really love that Black Lives Matters and other protesters have put this front and center to defund, these line items that have over-militarized our police, and instead invest that money in the human capital of your community. Make sure that you have the services, the help, the support, the healthcare necessary to be well and not require police intervention. And then also in some necessary cases, completely dismantling those police forces and rebuilding them.
So he wants to demilitarize the police. He wants to defund the police. The police, the law enforcement that eventually ended up stopping the shooter at the school.
Yep.
I mean, yes, it is tragic. There was, and it seems as more news comes out, it seems that a real problem was that the police were actually not trained properly in order to respond to the situation. And they did not stop the shooter in enough time to save the lives of 19 children and 2 teachers. And with that evidence floating around, a lot of people are saying the police were not on the ball and Border Patrol had to come in and stop it. Because Border Patrol is the more militarized, trained, specialized law enforcement. You have Beto O'Rourke in his past saying, let's demilitarize, let's defund, let's make sure that we have police departments like the one in Uvalde who couldn't respond.
Ooh, that's
to
good.
A mass
yeah,
shooter.
Let's make them all like that.
Let's make them all like that. And it is a scary reality to think about that.